Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to add some fresh new music to your videos in InShot, you have come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to easily add new music to your video. So let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap on to the video option and select the video that you want to add the music to. Now that your video is loaded, let's add the music. Tap on to the audio option which is right here. Then tap on to the music button which is right here. Then you will see a lot of tracks that you can choose from. Now scroll down and search for the track that you want to add. Now tap on to the one track. Now you can find a lot of options of music to put on the video. Now choose one song that you want to add and simply download it and then tap onto the use button. Now the music can be seen on the video track. Here you can also adjust the length of the music so it fits perfectly with your video. And that's it. That's how you can add new music to your video using InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.